Good afternoon and welcome to another Trade of the Week video from here at Platinum Trading Academy. We really have had a fantastic week this week with our intraday trades as well as a couple of longer term swing trades which I'll be showing you at the end of the video. So I want to talk to you this afternoon about our market cap trading. So before I show you that, this is our what we call our trading floor, which our clients have lifetime access to. There's plenty of articles on now. You've got long-term analysis which we provide our clients with, but this is what I really want to talk to you today about. This is what we call our important trading zones of the day section. These are areas of the market where we expect the market to bounce from. And you're talking about 20, 25, maybe 30 pip reversals in the market. So let's take you through to the algorithm. I'll start with the euro. We've had three really good trades on here this week. So look, let me take you back to Monday. That was where we had our first cap at around the 1,000 level. The market came there, literally kissed it and sold off, look, easy in excess of 30 pips. Now, this algorithm, although there's plenty of sell and plenty of buy zones on there, it doesn't mean we're going to trade out of every single one of them on any given day. They have to mean something, which are from with our daily analysis charts that mean something. So that was on the Monday. The next day, as you can see, 0940, we had a really nice level there. The market came there, reversed in excess of 40, 45 pips. So again, that was a really good move. And then yesterday, as you can see, we provided our clients there. It wasn't really in a sell zone, but as you can see, we had the important trading zone up about the 1030 mark. It came there within a few pips and again reversed. So you're talking just on the euro, 75 to 90 pips, which is excellent on three clean trades. So let me take you to the yen. Okay, we had a one win and a loss on the yen. So on Tuesday, we had a really nice level there, around 106.85 stroke 90. The market came into that buy zone and again reversed 40, 45 pips. Unfortunately, last night on the equities, especially the Nikkei 225, that was really strong, wasn't it? We had an important trading zone there, and unfortunately that failed, so you would have lost your money there. But importantly, let me just show you this. This is live at the moment, and as you can see, we've got a sell zone, important trading zone, and the market has literally kissed that. Can you see that? Let me put that on a 15-minute chart. But it's literally come in the zone and it's selling off as we speak. But that wasn't one of the ones that I was talking about. As I said to you, we have 7 caps, 6 winners and 1 loss. But there could be another one there as we speak. Right, let's come back to the next one, which is the Aussie. Again, yesterday, you can see that important trading zone. The market came there, kissed it, sold off 20, 25 pips. That was a nice move. And again, concurrently, as you can see, we had another trading zone that's just hit in the last hour or so. It's kissed it and it's selling off at the moment. So that's happening before your very eyes at the minute. And the 7th one, again, that was our 6th winner, which was on the Kiwi last night. Again, 6335, it's coming to that sell zone and sold off really nice for another 25 pips. So there's 7 trades there, 6 wins and just a loss. And there's 2 concurrent at the moment, so and they're going their way. So that's possible, 8 wins and 1 loss. So that's a fantastic week on our market caps. And as mentioned before, we had a couple of swing trades. Let me show you this. Let me start with the cable. Okay, so this is what we analysis based on candlestick counting and accumulation. This is something we teach our elite clients on a one-to-one basis. We entered the trade yesterday. There's the buy trade at 2228. There's our ticket. Okay, it's currently running over 400 pips in excess of £165,000 to the good. So, I mean, that is an absolute fantastic trade, and we'll continue to hold that. And then apart from the cable, we also entered long yesterday 131,555 on pound yen. Again, look, it's currently up over 500 pips and balance running at the minute of 102,000. So you're talking over 900 pips on them two trades for a strategy, as I said, all about accumulation. So if this is something that would really interest you, go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You've got, let me just click on that, which is the trading strategies. As you can see, the major cap one now, that's the one I was talking about before. We've had a really successful week. As I said to you, if there's something that interests you, click on that tab, top right hand corner, the free forex trading shop. One of our staff will get back to you. If you want a 24-hour or 48-hour test drive of our system, no problem at all. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.